All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you the updated 2026 method of how to clear your FiveM cache. Why would you need to do this? If you're experiencing crashes, stuff isn't loading correctly when you're playing different FiveM servers, things are disappearing, you're getting yeeted under the ground and you're falling forever, this could help you with a few of those, especially if you find yourself crashing randomly when you walk over certain parts of the game. It's just something that it's a good idea to do occasionally because FiveM's not the most stable thing on the planet. So go down to your Windows search, type in FiveM, and then you should see your app for FiveM. Just right click that, then open file location. That's going to open up the little sort of shortcut for FiveM. Open it again, and then you're going to want to open the file location again to take you to where all of your FiveM application data is stored. Go ahead and click on the FiveM application data, and we want to go to the folder labeled data, and this is where all of your cache files are stored. You want to grab cache, and server cache private, right click them, and then delete them, and then bingo bango, your cache is cleared out. Just make sure you empty your garbage or your recycling bin on your desktop, and then it should be completely gone. Now you can boot back into FiveM, load back into your server, and download all the assets again, and things should run a lot smoother. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.